think we're recording. I'll just check. We are recording. So, extra questions on calc. Here we go. Extra questions on the calculator. We're going to zoom along through there, do a few questions just using the calculator. So I expect we'll probably need more space, but we'll see how we go. So, this is a compound interest question. So, off to the calculator and off to the world of finance. Okay, so F2 for compound interest. Looking at this question here, we've got this much in an account. It's paying interest compounded monthly. We have 2 years. So what we need from you is 2 times 12. Yeah, I don't quite understand how all that worked. 2 times 12. Interest is what we're looking for. Use technology to find the annual rate of interest. How much did the account start with? Okay, it's an investment, so PV is minus. There were no payments in this question. No regular payments. 3,700 turned into 4,000. And 72. 4,072. Here's the critical part, compounded monthly. So I have to have 12 in a few places. 12. So let's just see what that looks like on the calculator. Okay, so on the calculator, 2 times 12. I'm not quite sure what I is, so we'll skip that one and go to the next one. PV is minus 3,700. There were no payments in this question, 0. At the end there was 4,072. This is a monthly question, so P/Y is 12 and C/Y was probably 12. Okay, I'll just go to the top, copy this, make it smaller, and now on the calculator we want to find interest, so we press F2 underneath interest. So answer to this question is 4.79% interest. So on the graphics calculator, the idea is to go through the question. Please highlight where you're going to put your numbers and then use the button to find what's required. Okay, here's a different question. So we're going to do this question several times. We're just going to do it with a different K number. I'm going to see what's happened. Everybody happy? 6. So the first one is annually, so that's 36 times 1. This is going to be 6.75 for every question. This is going to be, it's an investment, this is going to be minus 30,000 for every question. There are no payments in these questions. No payments, no regular payments. This is what we're looking for each question. And for the first part, this is going to be 1. Once per year. Once per year. Let's zip this into the calculator. So, once per year for 3 years. Simply happy 36 months is 3 years. Okay, might write that down. Okay, so it's going to happen 3 times in 36 months. N equals 3. I equals 6.75. Minus 30,000. Minus 30,000. it's no payments. Future value is what we're going to look for. I'll put a 0 there for now. And payments per year is 1. They're both set as 1. Copy. What we might do, we might make this one a bit longer. Make this a bit smaller. Let's see what the future value is for this question. Future value is 36,000. So 30,000 turned into 36,000. Okay. Part 2. Half yearly. Well, N is 3 times 2. This 6.75. This is minus 30,000. There are no payments in this section. Future value is question mark. Right, half yearly, C/Y is 2. Correct. Exit. 3 times 2. This will be the same, this will be the same, that would be different, and payments per year is 2. Just make it small so we can see what's going on. And we'll now go and look at future value. My guess is that this will be slightly more. So previous question was 36,400, yeah, it's 36,600, slightly more. Okay. Part C, quarterly. So this is going to be 4. This is going to be 4 times a year. Future value is question mark. For these questions, there has been no payment, and we're initially putting in $30,000. So we're going to do this question 4 times with these different numbers. So that stays the same, that stays the same. 6.75. So N is 3 years quarterly. 3 times 4. To the calculator. Exit to go back. 3 times 4. Interest hasn't changed. Investment amount has not changed. Future value, we are looking for future value. And quarterly means this becomes 4. They both become 4. Let's put it here so we can see what's going on. Copy. To make some room for the end of the page. And now that it's all set up, we press future value. 36,671. Again, slightly more. And it will end up being that the more times we compound, the more money we will get. Why did I press the wrong one? Let's try that again. This is about $50–60 higher than that. So we all know already that the last one is going to pay the most. Monthly. 3 years monthly, so it's going to be 36 separate payments. So let's do it. 3 years times monthly. 6.75 has not changed. Minus $30,000 is put in. Every time it's an investment, PV is a minus number. Not making any regular payments. That'll be later in this This is what I'm looking for. Show the teacher you know what you're looking for. And monthly, the word monthly, P/Y, C/Y are both 12. Okay, so N equals 3 times 12. Interest the same, present value the same. We'll put a 0, we're looking for a new thing, new future value. And payments per year, compound per year is 12. Copy this guy. Always great to get it upside down. Let's have a look at what the answer actually is. Future value is an F5, and we're looking for that number. So for this question, 36,772, take away the initial amount, so the interest is 6,712. So the answer here is the biggest interest happened with monthly payments, or monthly compounding, and it was about $6,712 interest. Okay, that might be the end of section 1.